Hey everyone, welcome back to another video by Math Boulevard. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use cosine law. In my first triangle, I have an angle surrounded by two lengths. Because of this, I can use cosine law to determine the third length. I will first label my other lengths based on the angles opposite of them. I will then input my known numbers into the formula. Negative 2 times 8 times 5 is negative 80. Cosine 65 is 0.42. I will then add 64 and 25 and multiply negative 80 times 0.42. I will now find the square root of both sides to determine the length of A. After calculations, I know A equals 7.42 centimeters. In this triangle, I have all three lengths. Because of this, I can use cosine law to determine angle A. I will first label each length according to the opposite angle. I will then input all known numbers into the formula. Negative 2 times 4 times 3 is negative 24. I will then move positive 25 to the other side of the equal sign. This will turn it into negative 25. I will then begin to isolate A. I will do this by first dividing both sides by negative 24. 11 divided by negative 24 is negative 0.46. My next step is to isolate A. I do this by using inverse cosine on the other side of the equal sign. After calculations, I know angle A is 117.39 degrees. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please drop a like and hit that subscribe button.